Hi there, welcome back. My name is Larry if you're new to the channel. I figure since we're right here at Halloween, where better to have a Halloween special video than at the exact same location I made my last video, which is right where I heard those really creepy knocks, like right here at my camp. I didn't know what it was. Got a bug in my eyeball. I didn't know what it was at the time. It did freak me out, it freaked the dogs out. But I had tons of comments and emails saying that it was just classic Bigfoot Sasquatch knocks. So struck my curiosity. I figured we'll come back here, we'll check it out, see if we hear anything tonight, and should be a good night. So stick around and let's get camp set up. All right, I got Mason Boy right there. I got Marty. You guys excited to be out here go camping? Excited for Halloween? So since it's Halloween, I figured the best way to celebrate Halloween would be to carve a pumpkin. So we're gonna carve a pumpkin tonight. All right, I got one of these pumpkin kits just for the knives and stuff, and then this scooper to get the seeds and stuff out. I don't think I'm gonna use any of that. It comes with like stencils that you can use or patterns. I don't think I'm gonna use any of those though. We're just gonna do it simple. So the tools I'm gonna use are this scoop, and then got this little knife, and then a little bit bigger knife. All right. It's been so long since I did one of these pumpkins. And I do remember that these worked so much better. As a kid, I used to just use like a spoon, regular spoon. I just didn't cut it very well. Because it kind of, if you haven't carved a pumpkin before, this stuff sticks. The seeds and the insides just like stick to the sides of the pumpkin. So when you have these little teeth like that, it just cleans it up real nice. Look at that. Yeah, this ain't gonna take long at all to clean out now. Ew. All cleaned out pretty good there. Okay, what do you think? It'll work. the flipper. Let's go put this on the fire. We'll go ahead and cook it over the fire. I know the flames are kind of high, but I'll just keep it off to the side a little bit. All right, it's done. So I want to clear something up. On the last video, I had an insane amount of people think that I left my dogs outside, like throughout the night. I don't get what part of the last video got people to think that, but yeah, it was kind of, I don't know, I got just bombarded by rude comments, and a bunch of people said they were leaving the channel, they weren't going to subscribe anymore, or they were going to unsubscribe and leave or whatever, and I just don't get it. If any of these people have watched more than like one of my videos, you'd see that I take very good care. Would I ever leave my dogs outside, especially overnight? And to top it all off, even on top of that, last time I was hearing creepy sounds out there, and then I brought them in basically as soon as I heard the second sounds, and I was out there, and I was just done being out there because of what was going on. Yeah, and since we've been sitting here, I've been kind of, like, my anxiety's kind of built up because on that last video, I was sitting here eating dinner when I heard, like, the first loud crashing sounds out here. So I opened up the window just in case I want to hear anything, if there's anything out there. Probably should get my sweatshirt on. It's cold out here now. I don't think the dogs want to be out here either. I might put them inside here in just a minute. I'll let them out here after they ate to go potty and stuff. But since it's Halloween, I decided to go ahead and splurge and get some chocolate filled marshmallows. Do a little roasting, marshmallow roasting. I'm pretty full, so I'll probably only have like one, but maybe two. But these things are so good. They have cookies and cream ones too, and they're even better. I was looking for those, but I couldn't find them. Alright. And I do like my marshmallows completely charred black on the outside. So I just kind of stick it straight in. Get it to catch on fire as fast as I can so it doesn't get too melted. There we go. That's pretty good. See, the trick is if you go too slow, then the inside is too gooey. But right now the inside stays a little solid. The outside gets kind of warm and melted. Mm. Got some cows this morning. Morning, cows. Morning. I actually slept pretty good. I was thinking, the thought was crossing my mind that I was like gonna be in a dead sleep and then hear crashing branches outside, just to have me like wake up and look out the door and come like face to face to a shadowy figure. Um, I don't know. I really was thinking like I was gonna be more creeped out than I was, but it really wasn't that bad. I felt really safe here last night. I don't know. I slept good. I like this place. I'll probably come back here again, I think. So whatever those crashing sounds were a couple weeks ago, I don't know. Who knows what it was? I'm gonna have to go ahead and get my portable solar panels out and get those out in the sun. Try to charge up my power stations. I had my heating blanket cranked up last night, and then I had my electric heater on at times to try to just warm it up to a decent temperature in here. So I kind of almost killed one power station. The other one is down about 20%. There we go. And we're bringing in 114 watts. So I might go and re-angle those a little bit to get them more pointed towards the sun. But this should hopefully start going up. There we go. No obstructions, just straight sunshine. Yeah, we're bringing in 300 watts now, so this will go up pretty quick now. Enjoying the day out here? Oh, nice, huh? Yeah. Just sun tanning. Yeah. All right, breakfast time. Not sure what I'm gonna have. My bacon's half frozen. I guess it was touching the back of the fridge. See if we can flip this. I don't think so. Oh no. It ain't flipping. That thing's gonna fall apart. Alright. Looking good. Kind of fell apart. But it'll still taste the same. I wish we would have seen Bigfoot. That would have made for a pretty cool thumbnail on the video. Anyways, have an awesome, safe Halloween. Watch those kids. Make sure they don't run out in the street or, you know, eat candy with razor blades in it. And then I will see you guys next week. Say hi to all your fans.